Fabulous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage with a shop/loft in Whitehouse ISD with a Tyler address. Wonderful updates throughout. Tay entry with leaded glass windows and front door with transom not only allows natural light but welcomes you into this spacious home. Lovely living room with fireplace and built-ins provides an open feel into the kitchen, which has been updated with quartz countertops, apron front sink, subway tile backsplash, new appliances, custom vent hood, and open shelving. A cozy den and breakfast room are adjacent to the kitchen, and the formal dining room with French doors is a great flex space. There is also a separate, private office. The generous primary suite offers an ensuite bath with double vanity, granite countertops, oversized shower, tub, water closet, and walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms, all with built-ins and walk-in closets, provide ample space for family or guests. 2 of the rooms share a Jack and Jill bath, and the third has access to a full hall bath. Completing the interior space is a utility room with sink and desk area plus a half bath. Outside, enjoy the large covered patio with extended area and fully fenced and landscaped backyard. Plenty of room to add a pool. There is also a workshop/exercise room/man cave/storage building with an upstairs loft area, which provides for limitless options. This is a must-see. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.